We're now going to look at 4 different ways on how to move or cut text. Because text, if we want to move, say, this one down, we can, and we have 4 different ways to do that. And depending on what you're doing, each way can have its pros and cons. One way is the buttons on the toolbar are the buttons. We have the cut, which cuts it, and then we place our mouse where we'd like it, and then we can paste. Okay, another way, so that was the buttons, cut and paste, is that we can use the right mouse click. So I can right mouse click, I can cut, click where I want it to go, right mouse click, and then paste. Now with paste, I have 3 different options. Keep text only, merge, or keep source formatting. Okay, merge formatting just means that if I have a document that has different heading formats, it will merge the 2 together so that they kind of combine. Whereas if it can take it from your current document, it would. If it doesn't, it brings it over. Whereas keeping the formatting will keep heading 1, etc. The last one of text will, which if I click on my little smart tag here, you'll see this text one. That one keeps the text only, and it basically formats it however it thinks the paragraph needs to be formatted. So in this case, I had right mouse clicked before lighting, so it thinks everything should then be formatted the same way as this text here. Okay, which is why it went all bold when you do that. Okay. Sometimes when you highlight each of these or pause your mouse on each of these, nothing happens, and that's because the formatting probably wasn't different, or it was all normal. Okay. The next way to cut, and so we've done the buttons, we've done a right mouse click, now we're going to do the keyboard. Keyboard shortcut is Control X, because the X kind of looks like the scissors. Click where you want it to go, and then Control V for paste. And the last way is using the mouse. So we've gone through the ribbon, right mouse click, keyboard shortcuts, and now the mouse. Now I've selected, my mouse is now an arrow, I click and I drag and I drop. Okay, so I drag, and where the insertion point is, and I let go, it's going to insert it in that point. And you can use a combination of these, so if you Control X, you can always click in and then paste. And you do have 2 different pastes here, top one and the bottom. The bottom just gives you more options. Okay, and that is moving text.